Okay, hello friends. This is Hitesh Mewada and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we will be going to learn how to send pull request to any repository. First of all, if you don't know about GitHub, then kindly check other videos and make sure you learn about GitHub. Secondly, in GitHub, you need to make an account like I have made here, and it is very easy to make an account on GitHub. Next thing, there should be a repository of someone who have uploaded his code on the GitHub. Okay. Next thing, you should install your GitHub in the local machine. Like you should have Git installed in your machine. Git. Okay. It is very important to have Git installed in your machine. After installing Git, you need to sign up with your GitHub account and connect GitHub with your Git. So these are the prerequisites. That first is make your account on GitHub. Second, install Git on your local machine. Now I am there in that folder. I have created one folder. Okay, now I will just come into command line. I will press CMD and then press enter. So this will open a new window for me. Okay, now first of all we have to fork. Okay, we have to fork the account or the repository, and we have to select create fork. Now what is the meaning of fork? Fork means that you are creating a local copy of that repository in your account, in your database, or in your profile. So now you can see earlier it was what it was earlier. Earlier it was something different, but now what it is? Now it is programming assignment to Hitesh Mewada. So it is created a fork of mine. Okay. So now I can do anything with this code. What we'll do, we will just make some changes in this code. So let's first of all let's copy this link from the top. I hope it is visible. I am copying the link from the top. Now I'm writing some commands. Git clone. Okay, I'm writing some commands. Git clone and then the link of that video which I have copied. And I'm clicking enter. Now, as soon as you can see that it is created a folder of that video in this folder. I have opened that folder in VS Code. I can show. Okay, it is there over here. So you can see the folder is here. Cache metric readme.md. Now let's change something here. Suppose I want to change cache metrics.r. So what I want to do, I just want to erase this line. I have erased this line. Now you can see that as soon as I erase this line, there is some pop-up here. Why? Because it is automatically funded by VS Code. Whenever you make some changes in the code of another repository, GitHub and VS Code both are originated from the same company, so they are interconnected. So you should connect your GitHub with a VS Code also. Now we will click on the right tick. Now what you have to do here, you have to write some message that what changes you have made. So I will say that I have deleted one line. A one line which was commit, which was comment. As soon as you do this, just click on that tick button. Now you are all set. What you will do, you will just click on this synchronizing changes. Okay, after clicking on that button, there will be some loading about some changes, and let's see what is going on. Okay, first of all make sure that you are creating a new branch, or you can directly code in master also. Anything will work, but let's click on synchronizing changes. Let's see what is happening over here. Okay, I think it's all done. Okay, let's see the changes are made or not. I will refresh. Okay, you can see 1 minute ago there were some changes. So it is done. It is done in my local repository, not in the repository which I have forked from. Okay. So now you have to make changes to your original repository, right? Which was when I gave programming assignment 2. So what you will do, you can see here, it is showing something. This branch is one committed ahead of this. So you have to click on contribute, open pull request. Now as soon as you click on open pull request, you can see that you have made a comment and you can write a description about that, and then you can select create a pull request. My friend, you have made a pull request onto the original repository. So this is how you can create pull request in any repository. Now why we create pull request? We create pull request because we want we don't want to directly make changes in the code, or make changes in the original code, but we want to make changes in our local repository so that everyone can view the changes of the original content. Anyways, you can learn more about pull request in internet or some other videos, but you have learned how to create a pull request in this video. You can also delete pull request by just going to settings and deleting your fork. But yeah, you have to make